Imagine this. You're in a relationship. Everything feels perfect. Date nights, sweet texts, that spark in her eyes. Then one day you find out she's been cheating, and you never saw a single sign. How does that happen? How do some women pull it off with no clues left behind? And more importantly, how do you build a bond so strong she'd never even think of straying? Welcome to the Life Classroom. Today, we're unpacking the sneaky truth about infidelity and the secrets to making her loyal for life. Let's start with the hard truth. Women can cheat in ways that leave men completely blindsided. Studies, like one from the Journal of Marital and Family Therapy, say up to 70% of cheating partners show no obvious red flags. Why? Because women are often masters of emotional camouflage. Picture Sarah. She's your girlfriend, always home on time, still cuddly on the couch. But behind the scenes, she's texting someone else, deleting every trace, keeping her phone face down. No fights, no distance, just business as usual. That's the scary part. It's not always the screaming matches or cold shoulders that tip you off. Sometimes, it's silence that hides the storm. So how do they do it? Point 1. Emotional stealth. Women often cheat emotionally first, connecting with someone new at work or online, before it turns physical. It's a slow burn, not a flashing neon sign. Point 2. Tech savvy. Apps like WhatsApp or Snapchat vanish messages like smoke, leaving you none the wiser. Point 3. Guilt management. Unlike the stereotype of a remorseful cheater, some women justify it. He's not attentive enough, or I deserve this. It's a mental switch that keeps their poker face intact. Here's the kicker. A 2022 study found 40% of women admitted to hiding an affair so well their partner never suspected a thing. That's not just skill, that's strategy. But let's flip the script. How do you make her so loyal she'd never dream of cheating? This isn't about control, it's about connection. First, be her safe space. When she vents about her boss or cries over a bad day, don't fix it, just listen. Research shows emotional openness cuts infidelity risk by 25%. Second, keep the spark alive. Surprise her with a random coffee date or a flirty note. Routine kills desire. Spontaneity fuels it. Third, respect her independence. A woman who feels free to be herself without you hovering chooses you because she wants to, not because she has to. I once knew a guy, Mark, who thought checking his wife's phone would keep her honest. She left him, not for cheating, but for suffocation. Loyalty isn't forced, it's earned. Thanks for joining me at the Life Classroom. If this hit home, drop a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this wisdom. Next time, we're tackling another raw truth about life. Don't miss it. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building something real.